Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to reset your Toyota Corolla's maintenance light. This common indicator simply reminds you it's time for routine service, like an oil change. You can easily turn it off yourself after completing the necessary maintenance. This quick guide will walk you through the simple steps, ensuring your dashboard is clear and ready for your next adventure. First, turn your ignition key to the on position, but do not start the engine. Next, locate and press the odometer trip reset button, holding it down firmly. While continuously holding this button, turn your ignition key completely to the off position. Keep holding the button as you proceed to the next crucial step. If you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Quick recommendation: just like your car needs a reset, sometimes your space needs a refresh. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's a fantastic way to add smart functionality and great sound. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, turn the ignition key back to the on position, still holding the trip reset button. You will observe a series of flashing dashes on your odometer display. Continue holding the button until these dashes disappear completely. Once the dashes are gone and the maintenance light is off, you can release the button. Your light is now reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.